MeghalayaPost.news.
Pulit kata trafik dan Nongpoh police station mentakasi kelap pelong ya kejing kenra nebat ya ki auto rickshaw ki Kamai apa oksa Nongpoh. Badah kan kejing kenra lalap babun ki auto rickshaw kim penbiang ikut islah pembelabu dek sarkar. Ya kan kejing kenra ya ki auto rickshaw lap pelong hak seruba ajan ke betri hospital Nongpoh. Hak kejing ilmu officer enchat kata trafik urobul ali lembat kiwi officer bat ki pulit na kata trafik Nongpoh. Pembela sakhiru akan kejing kenra ki pulit ya ki auto rickshaw lalap babun ki nonya auto rickshaw kim don wat ya ke license ikut islah kali hak balasyu Kamai klaim kot klaim slah bat nagan ne gejing syabat nekhan rabun ki auto rickshaw gilha bansew ya kakuna halor gejing pengken ya ki kandon.
I am in charge traffic Nongpoh traffic branch. Today we are conducting this vehicle checking, especially auto vehicles. Many complaints we have received that they don't have this vehicle registration, sometimes they don't have license, and insurance also sometimes fails. So we receive so many complaints. So that's why as a awareness and plus checking, we are conducting this auto vehicle checkings. So those who don't have this license, we'll find them, we'll compound them under MB Act, and those who don't have this insurance, more about the RC and all, we'll compound them under MB Act. So this awareness will continue. We are trying to continue this checking daily on a daily basis we are doing. Thank you.
MeghalayaPost.news.